Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is your host Ram, and today we are going to unbox Razer's BlackShark V2, a USB headset which includes a sound card. So I have been looking for a good headset for a while, and I eventually found this one in a local store for $100. Just a disclaimer, this video is not sponsored by anyone, and this BlackShark V2 headset is purchased by me for $100 in a local store in Chennai, India, and I've spent my hard-earned money, and I'm hoping this will be a good headset for our channel. So let's go ahead and check out the specifications, and let's flip the box and check what are all the things that we can find on this one. As I can see that this headset supports PC, it supports a Macintosh PC, and it supports consoles such as PlayStation, Switch and Xbox. And the good thing is this also supports the smartphone. Let me just flip the box and show you all the features that are specified on the box. It has a USB sound card, and it has a voice pickup area as specified here, and it has a volume controller I can see from here, and that's pretty much it, and some of the features are mentioned out here. Just want to show you the top side and the bottom side as well. So pretty good solid box packing, and I am pretty happy with the box packing. So let me just quickly go ahead and remove the seal and come back, and then I can show you an unedited version of the unboxing of the Razer's BlackShark V2. Alright guys, I just managed to open the seal, so let's go ahead and open this box and show you what's inside this box. Looks like we have a warranty information over here. We have the manual. I'll just keep it aside for a moment. Let's go ahead and continue opening this one. Let's go ahead and load the box. The USB headset is nicely packed in a bag. Looks pretty good. Let me keep this for here at the bottom for a minute. Let me show what else we have in the box. Don't see anything inside this box. I think everything is inside this bag. Let me just go ahead and open this bag. I think we have the headset here. Right, there we go. Do we have anything else in the box? Nope. We have a detachable mic, as you can see. Let me also open this one, and this one seems to have the USB sound card adapter, as you can see here. And this one goes into the sound card. It's pretty good in terms of, as you have a volume controller over here on the left side, and on the right side there's a logo here on the top. And this looks pretty solid. Alright guys, I've just placed all the items on the table, so let's do a quick recap. So we have this black bag which you can use to keep your headset safe, and the second item is the manual itself. You can read it through and follow all the installation process mentioned in this manual, and you can go ahead and install this onto your Macintosh or a Windows PC. The next item is this green card. Initially I thought this is some kind of warranty information, but it doesn't look like a warranty card. This is some kind of assurance given by the Razer team itself. The next thing we have is this headset. Initially I thought this cable was detachable, but it's completely fixed into the headset, and this end of the jack surely plugs into the PlayStation 4 controller. I'm not sure about Xbox or Nintendo Switch, as I do not own these consoles, but as per the manual, this headset should work with Nintendo Switch or the Xbox. The next thing is this sound card adapter. This end goes into the sound card adapter, and you can remove this end and you will have the USB connection here, which goes into your PC or the Macintosh machines. Let me go ahead and detach this and keep it aside. And the last one is the mic, which is a detachable one, and you can bend it. It's pretty flexible, and it's of a good quality as well. So these were all the items in the box. Let's go ahead and test it out on our PC.
I just plugged in the headset to my Windows PC and Windows installed the drivers automatically for me. I am doing a voiceover on this game called Stay, which I plan to play. Sound quality is way better than my previous mic, and Razer team has ensured there's no compromise on the physical build quality. Overall, I am pretty happy with this $100 headset. In terms of performance, the mic provided along with the headset may not be of the greatest quality, but surely an effective one. I would highly recommend to grab one if you're just getting started. However, if you are a podcaster or a live streamer, you may want to consider a professional mic which has advanced features, as this may not be the right one. If this video helped you, click that like button and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification. Last but not the least, I would like to wish you and your family a happy new year 2023. Take care guys, I will see you in the next one.